in slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Damn minute, another minute.
Hey gang, real quick, I'm going to try the last macaron, which is the chocolate tiramisu macaron, and it's all like nicely bundled up, which is interesting. We're gonna try that. What day is it? Let me ask the computer. January 11th. Wow, this is a powdery macaron. Okay. Let me show you how much powder that is right there. What the heck? It's like a freaking frosted donut. So I'm gonna eat it over the little container, but yeah, it looks a little crazy. Wow, this is so messy. It's all over my face. It tastes good though.
Doing a strict formal analysis, right? Like a really true
strict formal analysis, then all you're doing is describing what you see. So you're not bringing
style. So a couple of ideas from the textbook. This is a
Hello, I'm Ellie. This is a video about me in 30 seconds. I'm an art history major. I know English. I've studied Spanish for 8 years, and right now I'm in my second year of studying Korean because I went to go study abroad there in South Korea because I think it would be fun.
The next day.
Hey Pookies, I'm about to go buy movie tickets for the Stray Kids, like IMAX little recording of their concert, but real quick I wanted to try this, which like roommate gave to me. It's the Holiday Creamy Vanilla Coke. The root beer one wasn't very good. So let's see how this one is. Hopefully better than that one. I'm a little scared after that one though, because the root beer one was bad. So okay. Okay, yeah, it tastes pretty similar to the normal, just like vanilla Coke flavor, but I don't know what's like different. It's just holiday creamy vanilla, but it tastes pretty normal, but still good. Okay, let's go buy the tickets. Went to Daiso and got this really cute little planter because I was originally going to put my little variegated string of hearts in it because it's really long, and I think it'd be happy and explode if I repotted it, but the person told me after I bought it at a different store that you should only go up 1 inch, and this pot is significantly bigger than 1 inch longer than this one. So I'm gonna have to get a different pot, but that's okay because Stray Kids. I just went to the pop-up that they had here for it, but anyways, I'll have to talk about the albums purchased later, or maybe previously, but I got this string of turtles plant that's a bit bigger, and I think it'll be perfect size for that, so I'm gonna actually put that in there like right now. LOL, it's so cute. vlog. This is kind of a not a very typical little clippy clip, but I have always just been like, I love Princess Zelda from the Legend of Zelda like franchise, and I was gonna be here for Halloween 2 years ago, hence these like elf ear thingies, but I never actually got to be here because the costume I bought got like not delivered, and then I recently found these again and was like, it'd be so easy to do it because like my hair, the eyes and stuff, so you know, I just did it and it's like the way I got myself to do it was just be like, it's pre-shower makeup and it's not even that much for like a little like costume or cosplay or whatever, but it's my first time doing anything like this and I kind of love how it turned out. I definitely think I could do it on a different day when my hair is not like about to get showered because it's greasy and stuff, but I kind of love it. So definitely more of this coming in the future, maybe not on the vlog, but just for fun elsewhere, because you know, I'm just a girl who loves to do a little makeup and be like all of my favorite little gals. So yeah, I'm Princess Zelda.
The next day.
Okay, I just did like skincare, so my hair was up in a bun, so don't mind the crazy hair, but we're gonna be doing this little, it's just a little, my computer screen turned off. It's just a little sample of this little overnight mask. It says Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. I'm Youth to the People, which I really enjoyed because I got it from a little birthday freebie from Sephora, and I really actually enjoyed all of the products in the little freebie a lot, like the little cleanser from them. I think it was like the superfood cleanser, and the little Air Whip cream was like so nice. So, but I have seen it's super expensive, but I don't know, the texture and the hydration was really nice, so maybe when I get rich I'll have to cop some of that, aka when I have some more money, which will probably be post-college because I am a broke college kid right now. But anyways, let's try this little sample. Wait, I'm just gonna use scissors. Ooh, I see it, it's yellow, which I guess makes sense, but well. There's a little bit on my fingers. Let's just... It doesn't really smell like anything, which is interesting. Got a little bit more of it. I hope this doesn't anger my skin. It feels very nice. Okay, now I can smell it. But yes, the like texture of the mask is very like thick and nice. Feels a little bit like I'm just putting icing on my face, but you know, that's okay. We want to have that glazed donut look. Okay, there's still some more left, so maybe I'll save it for tomorrow night and just put it in a little Ziploc bag or something, because I still have more of it on my fingers and just excess that's being like swirled around. Hopefully this doesn't break me out. I'm just now thinking about that, lol, but too little too late. I gotta use the free stuff in my life, unless I really regret this. I hope not, knock on wood, but right now it's been pretty nice, so yeah. Okay, good night, Pookies. Okay, hey guys, it's January 19th, so it's MLK Jr. Day, and we love MLK Jr. I've been inspired by him since I was a little kid, and we did a whole writing project on him. It was like a little writing contest about an essay of his impact, and I actually ended up winning the writing contest about him, which is crazy, and I am like, why me? But anyways, so he's actually always been important to me. Yeah, so just I very much appreciate. Okay, so I've just been chilling because we had no school today and I just kind of needed to reset. Thankfully for the long weekend we're doing that. I also think I'm gonna film a little short video about this, but I have like a bunch more posters I want to put up. This is just a fraction of them. I still have a lot more, and I still have more room space. It doesn't look like it from here, but on this wall behind you there's a lot more space. And you know, I'm like literally like, why not? I didn't have any more sticky tack, and I can't use push pins because, you know, renting. So I just went and got some more sticky tack from Target, and Target, there's K-pop albums there, and I had a little extra like money this week. So where did I put the bag? Bruh. Oh, right here. Okay. I went and got sticky tack and jeez, bro. And the new Enhypen album. So let's unbox this. Got the forbidden version because yeah, it just looked cool, and so I was tempted to like look at an unboxing to see what it's like, but we're gonna go in blind and I'm praying for Nikki. But here's the little sticky tag we got because this is the kind that I love using, so one pack goes really far, and so this will last me a long time. Yeah, let's do this, and it's a little bonus. So there's another exclusive little photo card. This is gonna go in my journal, of course. Okay, let's tear into it. Okay, it's out of the plastic. Let's go and open it. Please, Nikki. Nikki, please, please, please. Or Sunghoon, I'll take. I mean, like, I'll take any of them, but Nikki is my bias, especially with the hair in this comeback. So, okay, it's being annoying to open. Please. I'm trying to get it out. There we go, there we go. Okay. Well. Ooh, it smells very new. Okay, I'm so scared. So let's just go with what we got right here. This is the first thing I see when I open it. Nikki is right here. That's him. So this is the little bundle. Okay. I'm so scared, bro. Actually, no. I can see that the photo cards are in this thing, so that's what vampire now. I'm not gonna open this first, actually. I see a photo card. This is what I next see. So a little sticker that looks low-key fan-made, but whatever. That's okay. Fan-made is good. And then what is this? Okay, on the back it says a fictional advertisement from this. Is this a sticker too? Oh, wait. And this. What? This is so weird. And good. Okay. Oh, no way back. Okay, it's a little, this is, wow, these stickers are so cute. I can't wait to make like a little journal spread with them. But the song that's on this one is No Way Back, which is one of the songs I really like from this album. So that is slay. Also, look, he's the first one I see. I'm not freaking out. I'm not freaking out. He's this little picture. Okay, okay. Okay, whatever the frick this is. I think it's also a sticker, but why it look like that? But anyways, let's freak out about him. Oh wait, I'm so excited. What if I pulled him? Because look, okay, two of them, one of the whole gang, and then my boy, wait. I'm getting excited. I've never had, okay, let's calm down. The CD looks so cool with that like handwriting looking print. Wow, I'm like, this is impressive. Okay, let's go with the photo cards now. I'm so scared. I'm gonna show you them first. So this is the first one. Okay, not looking. This is the second one. Okay, please. Okay, that's okay. Dang. Well, at least I have this big picture of Nikki, her to do a vampire film on the back is what it says. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so that's fine. It's fine. So I'll see if I can trade with my friends. This one's pretty good though. Like, Loki might keep that one. These ones are so random though because he's holding like a stuffed animal and a donut looking whatever. That's okay. Let's look at what's in this little thingy. Oh, this must be the lyric book. Yeah, this is a lyric book, and it looks like a little pocket journal from like a detective or something. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, this is the poster, and because I saw Nikki first, and then it folds this way, and I was showing the camera being like, wow, and then on the back. Okay, yeah. It just caught me off guard because I was showing it this way and then his face is right here, so I was like, oh, hi. But anyways, okay, let's look at, this is, wait, are these all posters? I was thinking it was a book, but I think it's all posters because this looks like Nikki. Okay, yeah, it's not looking like there's anything binding it. Oh, whoa, there's this, oh my gosh, everything is falling. This little like advertisement looking, wow, it looks so real. So yeah, there's just more posters, but there are these like duos like this. So how am I supposed to put this up? Let's see if I can. It doesn't look like they're member one specific. It looks like it's, unless I'm crazy. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's just member specific. Yeah, because this is Nikki on this side, but that is not Nikki right here. And on the inside, not. So they're so serious. This one, that's also Nikki. Got it. The Twilight, it's giving. Oh, and all together, and he's running. Okay, interesting.